Hello gold makeup lovers! Are you ready for an amazing golden eye makeup look by Shilpa? Apply concealer all over the eyes so it's prepped correctly and blend it out with a beauty blender. Apply quite a good amount of eyeliner and blend it out a bit. Apply warmer brown eyeshadow on top of black, working your way up to the lids. Blend it all out to get rid of those very harsh lines between the eyeshadows. Check out that orange glittery eyeshadow. What do you guys think of the look so far? Now, that is what we're talking about, that cute golden eyeshadow for the all-day glow. Work on the eyeliner a little bit to give it more definition. Don't forget to do the lower lashes as well. Clean out any product fallout so it's a fresh and clean eye makeup look. Such a beautiful look. Would you guys try this?